was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure by myself when I met ya.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well today. So as you can see, we're doing another home reset. I'm going to be doing these throughout January just to get my home really nice and clean and decluttered and organised this year. I think that's my main goal, is just trying to stay organised and declutter my whole house. So in today's video, I'm focusing on the bedroom and the dressing room. Just going in, giving everything a good clean. So I really hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. So can you do a bedroom deep clean without changing the bedding? Absolutely not. So the first thing I'm doing is just stripping the bed to get that in the wash, because then I find it best to do it first, because then it can be washing and drying while I do everything else, and it usually works out quite well. So I'm gonna bung this in the wash now, head back up, give everything a good wipe over, a hoover, and then we can go from there. So I just wanted to mention, in case you saw me laughing to myself when I was stripping the bed, it was giving me a good giggle because the bed was absolutely covered in fake tan. So I am very thankful that fake tan washes straight out, because honestly on this day the bedding was disgusting.
That something that you do to me is chemical. I know it isn't logical. Something that
Has anyone else got a weighted blanket? I'm literally laughing constantly at myself throughout this video, but I went to pick that weighted blanket up after I folded it up and it was so heavy. So yeah, let me know down below if you have a weighted blanket. I've wanted one for ages and Rob got me one for Christmas, but I am actually really shocked at how heavy they are. But they are really nice and calming, especially if you have anxiety. It's really good for that. But yeah, I'm just shocked at how heavy it is. So it is a little bit of a nightmare putting it on and off the bed all the time. But yeah, just wanted to see if anyone else had one and if you were as shocked as I was to how heavy they were. But anyway, now as you can see, I'm just decluttering under the bed a little bit. I'm not doing a huge declutter in today's video because I am going to be doing a very big declutter and organize in the bedroom very soon. I need to pull everything out from underneath the bed because it is a chock-a-block and I'm still trying to like shove more things underneath and it's just not gonna work. So I need to pull everything out of there. I need to do both of our bedside tables and I also need to tackle the wardrobe. So I do have a very big bedroom declutter coming soon.
Whisper gently saying you don't know how to keep on trying. It shows something's changing in me. It shows now I'm hardly breathing. There's no other way to go. Oh, like a Rona without a goal. That goes till us be baby got this. Now be baby got this. But we both know. So why can't we just give it a go? So back to life.
dressing room, and can you believe it's actually tidy? Like, it's actually tidy. I'm trying to keep on top of it because it always gets wild. Honestly, it's always a crazy mess, but I wanted to be able to go straight in and give it a deeper clean today, so I did try and keep on top of it. And you're going to see in a second just how dirty these windows are. It's quite embarrassing, but I actually don't remember the last time I pulled that dressing table out and gave it a clean, but they were honestly filthy.
So why can't we just give it a go? Stop acting like we don't know. 'Cause when with you, everything is trying to make it seem. The worries have been stuck within bed and turn me into fire and flame. And maybe I was a little lost, hoping that the light come along. But then again, I wouldn't have known that heaven was mine after all.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight.
So I started moving things around to redecorate in this room, and I really like how it turned out, but I didn't film it, or at least I didn't go into detail filming like the decorating part, just because I wasn't sure when I was doing it where everything was going to go, if I was going to like it, if it was going to stay there. But yeah, let me know if you would want a bit more of a detailed decorate with me. I am on the hunt for some new home decor, so let me know if you'd like a home decor haul when I do buy some new pieces, or if you'd like to go straight in with the decorating, because I love a good haul. I love watching hauls. But yeah, let me know if you would be interested in watching a home decor haul.
Would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. I didn't by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wanna know, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go?
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love.
So it's a little bit later, as you can definitely tell with the lighting. Honestly, I cannot wait for summer. Just having the light nights, I need that. I mean, especially for filming as well. It makes filming so difficult when it gets dark so early. But yeah, I'm just going ahead, putting the bedding back on the bed and just making it nice and cozy and fresh.
Give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
I never thought that I would be the one who turned you down and you disagree. We've been on and off, you were never mine to keep.
So that brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed this one. If you have, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I have a ton more home resets to do, lots more deep cleaning, lots of decluttering and organising to come. So if you like that sort of thing, then you're definitely going to want to subscribe. Leave today's video a thumbs up and I'll see you back here in my next one.
Yes, I fell in love with you and tried my best to make you love me. And now that you say you want me, oh, my answer's no.